going to make a pizza recipe from scratch, from the dough itself, and then we have to put the toppings and then bake it. So shout out to my Tita Dolly. This is for you. This is by request because she's asking for the recipe for this pizza recipe and healthy recipe that I have. And we're going to use, for the first time, you guys gonna see my wooden table specially made by my brother. Shout out to my brother Bino Dros. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's go and start cooking.
We need 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix it well. Then we need 1 1/3 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of sugar. We need to mix it in our warm water. And we need a dry yeast, 1 gram of it or a small packet. We need to mix it in our warm water to make it bloom. After well mixing, we need to cover it and wait for it to bloom. After 10 to 15 minutes, if the surface of the mixture becomes foamy or bubbly, the yeast is now active, and we can add it now to our mixture bowl. This is the part where we need to start the dough kneading portion, and you can add little by little of flour as needed. Almost there! Alright, this is now ready. So we need a bowl and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to grease the bowl. Dump the dough into the grease bowl and cover it with cling wrap and let it rise in a warm place. You can either put it under the lamp or lightly warmed oven. Now it doubled the size, so we can now start to form a pizza dough. Sprinkle some love, flour. Now it's ready. Let's cut it into 2 and be able to make 2 pieces of 10-inch pizza. Time to shape our pizza dough. We need to press it from the inner like this. And then stretch the dough with both hands just like that. until we can form 10-inch pizza. It's not perfectly rounded, but it doesn't matter. Almost there. Alright, done. Let's now start to prepare our toppings. First, onion. Pineapple. Mozzarella cheese. Cheddar cheese. Beef pepperoni. Italian tomato sauce with basil. So let's start to put the toppings one by one. Don't forget the spinach from Popeye the Sailor Man. Now, bake it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And for our second pizza, I'm using blue cheese sauce with the same toppings. Here we go! Italian spinach pizza! And blue cheese pizza! Course, perfectly with Tabasco. Let's now try the first pizza. Wow. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. This is Ella Dros.